Meaning of hussar.
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 Hussar. The term hussar refers to a type of light cavalry originating in Hungary in the 15th century. Hussars were known for their speed and agility on the battlefield, often using hit-and-run tactics to outmaneuver and overwhelm enemy forces. They typically wore distinctive uniforms featuring brightly colored jackets and elaborate braiding, and were often armed with sabers and pistols. Over time, hussars became a popular unit among many European armies and played a significant role in numerous conflicts, including the Napoleonic Wars and the First World War.